Have you ever experienced a disagreement with someone because both of you had different opinions? Situations like this are common not only in everyday life, but also in organizations. In the workplace, these situations are known as workplace conflict. Hello everyone, my name is Salsabilla Khumairah Azzahra with student ID number B1B125144. I'm a student of the Management Study Program, Faculty of Economic and Business, Halu Oleo University. This video is prepared as part of the final assignment for the Human Resource Management course. In this video, I will discuss employee relations management handling workplace conflicts and explain how conflicts can be managed effectively to create a productive and healthy work environment. So, let's begin. Employee relations refer to the relationship between employees and the organization. This relationship is built on communication, trust, and cooperation. When organizations maintain good employee relations, employees tend to feel more valued, supported, and motivated in their work. As a result, employee satisfaction and engagement increase, which contributes to a more positive and productive work environment. Therefore, employee relation is an important part of human resource management because it helps create harmony between employees and the organization. Even when employee relations are good, conflicts can still occur. Workplace conflict happens when individuals or groups have different opinions, values, perception, or interests. This often happens because employees have different ways of thinking and different priorities. In fact, conflict can occur at any level of the organization and between individuals as well as groups. Although conflict is often viewed negatively, it is actually a natural part of organizational life. The important thing is not how to avoid conflict completely, but how to manage effectively. There are three common types of workplace conflict. The first is task conflict. This type of conflict occurs when employees have different ideas or opinions regarding work-related tasks. The second is relationship conflict. These involve personal issues, emotional tension, or interpersonal disagreements between individuals. The third is process conflict. This happens when employees disagree about how work should be completed, including procedures, responsibilities, or methods of doing a task. Understanding these different types of conflict helps organizations choose the most appropriate way to address them. There are several factors that can cause workplace conflict. One common cause is poor communication. When information is unclear or misunderstood, disagreements can easily occur. Another cause is difference in values and perception. Employees often interpret situations differently based on their experience, belief, and perspective. Conflict can also arise because individuals or groups have different goals and interests. In addition, organizational structure can contribute to conflict when roles, responsibility, or authority are not clearly defined. These factors show that conflict is often caused by both individuals and organizational issues. Conflict can have both positive and negative impacts on an organization. On the positive side, conflict can encourage creativity and innovation because employees are exposed to different ideas and perspectives. Conflict can also improve decision making and problem solving by encouraging discussion and critical thinking. However, conflict can also have negative consequences. If it is not managed properly, it may decrease productivity, increase work-related stress, and damage relationships among employees. Therefore, organization must manage conflict carefully to maximize its positive impacts while minimizing its negative effects. This is where human resource plays an important role. Human resource, or HR, is responsible for helping employees manage and resolve workplace conflicts. One of its main roles is facilitating communication between employees so that misunderstandings can be addressed openly. HR also acts as a neutral mediator when disputes occur. In addition, HR develops policies and procedures that help prevent conflict and maintain fairness in the workplace. HR can also provide training programs to improve employees' communication and conflict management skills. Through these efforts, HR contributes to creating a healthy and productive work environment. To manage workplace conflict effectively, organization can use several strategies. The first strategy is communication. Open and honest communication helps employees express their concern and understand different perspectives. The second strategy is negotiation. Through negotiation, conflicting parties work together to find solutions that are acceptable to everyone involved. Another strategy is mediation, which involves a neutral third party helping both sides reach an agreement. Organization can also encourage collaboration, where employees work together to achieve a win-win solution rather than focusing on individual interests. Finally, problem solving helps identify the root cause of conflict and develop appropriate solutions to prevent similar issues from happening again. These strategies help organizations manage conflict constructively and maintain positive working relationships. To better understand this topic, let's look at a simple example. Imagine a marketing team working on an important campaign. One employee prefers a creative strategy, while another employee focuses on data-driven decision. Because they have different approaches, disagreements begin to occur. Over time, these disagreements create tension, poor communication, and delays in completing the project. To resolve the situation, human resource facilitates a meeting and encourages both employees to openly share their perspective. HR also acts as a mediator to help them understand each other's viewpoints. As a result, both employees realize that their ideas can complement one another. They combine creativity with data analysis to develop a stronger strategy. In the end, the project is completed successfully and teamwork improves. This example shows that conflict can lead to positive outcomes when it is managed effectively. Okay, based on the discussion in this video, we can conclude that workplace conflict is an unavoidable part of organizational life. Conflict can have both positive and negative impacts depending on how it is managed. Therefore, organization needs effective conflict management practice to maintain a productive and healthy work environment. Human resource plays an important role in facilitating communication, resolving disputes, and helping employees work together more effectively. Rather than viewing conflict as something that must always be avoided, organizations should see it as an opportunity for learning, improvement, and growth. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching and for your attention. I hope this video has helped you better understand employee relations and workplace conflict management. See you in the next discussion and have a great day. Thank you.